Hello, hi guys, it's Inam here with the Topaz Screen Protector for the iPhone X. See how well it can protect your device and if it can withstand a hammering. So here it is, the strongest screen protector in glass from Topaz. As ever, links will be down in the description box below if you're after one. Ooh, that was a mistake taking it off upwards, wasn't it? So we'll just pull that off down here and we've got a sticky tape here. So let's open that up. And we've got some cleaning wipes here, wet and dry, self-explanatory. Some sticky tabs there to get any dust off, and this will be the glass screen protector. Nothing else in the box, as you would expect. Let's have a quick look at the screen protector, and it's in 2 sleeves. So if we take that one out as well, obviously you know which side is which. Notch at the top here. Bringing in the iPhone 10 here, we're gonna use the wet dry wipes first of all, just to clean off any remaining debris that may be on here. So we'll begin with the wet first of all and get to cleaning. Done with the wet, let's give the device a wipe down with the dry. So I'm pretty sure I've cleaned this off properly, so I'm not going to bother using any of these dust stickers, but if you do need them, this is effectively all you do, just to get any dust off that you've missed with the wet and dry wipes, and obviously the microfiber cloth just to give it a final dust down if you've missed anything or some debris has actually flown up. Peel off the backing here like so. It's tabbed up here so you know which side to do, but lift away the back. Oh, that sounded good. And you just place it around the notch. I'm going to turn the screen on and off, making sure not to cover any of the sensors, otherwise Face ID or some of the proximity sensors may not actually work. But that looks like it's on, and if I press down, I don't know if you can see that, you can see it spreading if I tilt the device. How cool is that? So just make sure it goes and spreads right across to all edges of the device. So the screen protector is fully on here and everything still works. The proximity sensors work, Face ID works. If I just go in, there we go. Face ID still works, so we haven't covered up any of the sensors here whatsoever, and the entire screen is covered. So it looks pretty good. So now to see, this is meant to be the ultimate glass screen protector. So, and this is a pretty sharp knife, to be honest. So and if you saw my knife unboxing video, this can go through a steel can like a knife goes through butter. So yeah, it's not doing anything at all here. Ooh, I can see a little bit of a bubble there, but that's my installation. No marks on the actual screen protector, so there we go. That's pierced the screen protector, but this is a very, very sharp knife indeed, so that's to be expected. As I say, I went through a steel tin, no problem at all. And if that isn't enough, we've got a hammer. So the hammer on its own doesn't seem to be doing a hell of a lot. And if we take a look, you can see some faint marks where the first hammer hit, and obviously where the knife went in there first time around. Look at that. Let's give it a harder bash with the hammer. I know the screen's already compromised, but this is not something that you would have in your pocket. Neither would you stab your phone with a pocket knife. But yeah, you can see it's It's taken a bit of a beating there, hasn't it? Definitely. Let's see how the screen of our device looks, if I can actually peel this off. Oh, there we go, I can get to it. So let's peel that off. And boom, there we go. Your very expensive iPhone X has not a mark on it. How cool is that? So the Topaz Screen Protector has done its job really, really well. And did it actually put a hole in it at the center here? Did it or didn't it? Let's have a look. Not quite. I can't feel anything underneath. So the glass screen protector seems to have done its job. Kudos to Topaz. As ever, links will be down in the description box below if you're after one and you carry something other than just keys and change in your pocket. So there we have it, guys. That was the iPhone X and the Topaz screen protector. Definitely worth its money to protect your hard-earned iPhone. As ever, links will be down in the description box below. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day and I'll see you next time.